That's how far it goes without no water.
I know. It's crazy.
Probably walk out there and probably find some crabs and everything. Out
You go try it. You test it
there.
out.
I eat seafood.
Well, you test it out and you go grab the seafood for you get for me and then we'll be all right. Go ahead, go try it. I drive you, go get it. Go try it, hon. I'll park right here. Climb back up.